This video, let's talk about the upgrade that Bitcoin had, the Taproot upgrade, and why it's important, and is it bullish for Bitcoin? Okay, but first let's get an update on the Bitcoin chart, okay, and the other altcoins. And if you like content like this, just give it a like, okay. So let's get started. Okay, so here this is the BTC chart. Okay, so right now BTC is at $28,922. Okay, so Bitcoin is more probably, you can see this wick, right? It's more probably going down because it had a sell out here and plus a big dump, right? So it's more probably going up. But if Bitcoin, something is wrong, Bitcoin can even go up, right? So if Bitcoin, you can see, breaks this resistance, this big resistance, you can see, right? This big massive resistance, right? Only if it breaks that, it's more probably going up. But till then, you can say it's on a downward trend. Okay, so if Bitcoin breaks this key support at 28,760, right, then you can short right here. Okay, you can short right here. Once it makes a resistance, breaks, makes a resistance, you can put your short entry right here and ride it, put your take profits all the way right here to 27,750. Okay, so if Bitcoin breaks that support, we know now it's kind of bearish, right? Since Bitcoin broke this also, didn't support and go up, so it's kind of bearish, right? Okay, so now let's take this info and go to the altcoins. Okay, so the next chart let's see is Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum 2. Okay, so right now Ethereum, okay, so if Bitcoin breaks that support at 28,760, it's more probably even Ethereum's going down. Okay, so taking a short here, if you are right now here and riding it all the way to 1847, if Bitcoin breaks the 28,760 support, would be a good entry, right? But if you want to be safe, while 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 Ethereum breaks this key support at 1847, right? Once it breaks this, makes a resistance, you can put your short entry right here, and then you can put your take profits at 1773. Okay, only if Ethereum breaks this key resistance at 1960, makes support, we enter. Okay, so till then it's bearish. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your AVAX. Okay, so for AVAX chart also, okay, so right now AVAX is here, so AVAX can either be trending like this, go up here, then sell here. It can go like this, trending, or in a channel, can be trending in this range, or it can break this support and go all the way to $14.26. Okay, so if only it breaks this support at $16.38, more probably BTC will break its support at 28,760. Once AVAX breaks, makes a resistance, we enter short and we ride it all the way to $14.26. Okay, but it can even go up, so you can draw a trend line right here and draw a trend line. Right now it broke. Okay, so if it keeps going up, you can put a limit here, buy limit here, and then you can sell it here. Okay, but only if it breaks this $18.06, makes support, we enter all our big positions. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for Solana chart also, okay, so for Solana chart also, it just needs to come down here, but till then you cannot long no short. Okay, so you just need to wait and see if it breaks this support, which when Bitcoin breaks is 28,760, your Solana also will to break. Okay, this $21.29 support. Once it breaks, makes resistance, we enter short and we ride it all the way to $19.88. Okay, so if Bitcoin is bullish, more probably breaking that resistance, right, 29,400, then even your Solana will break. Okay, so once it breaks this one, this main resistance of Solana, $22.73, makes support, clean support, we put a stop loss and we put a big buying position right here and we ride it all the way up. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your dot chart. Okay, so for dot is bearish. Okay, because it ain't going up of this resistance, it's just hitting and broke this also key resistance right here, key support right here. Okay, so right now what we need to do is for dot, right now dot's here, right, it broke this support. Okay, so right now if it breaks this resistance line, okay, if it breaks this, it'll go one here and second one. Okay, so we short on the second one, right here. Okay, so right now after this one, see if it pumps, if it breaks this resistance, right, this big resistance. I'll put it close and show you. Okay, if it breaks, if Bitcoin is bearish and breaks that 28,760 support, right, this too will go down. Okay, so if it does this, it breaks this. Okay, break this, it makes one high and makes higher low, we attack here. Okay, but till then, if it keeps resisting this resistance line, right, we can short it right here. Okay, when it goes a little bit down, we'll short it right here somewhere, and we'll ride it all the way to $5.25. Okay, this is only if Bitcoin breaks that support at 28,760. But if Bitcoin doesn't break, right, then this too can just be trending here. It can go till $6.12. Okay, but it till yet it's not reached this above this resistance line, so it's of no use of buying and selling here. Okay, so we just need to wait for shorts. Okay, and or till it comes at this resistance line. Okay, for it to be bullish. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Cardano. Okay, so for Cardano chart also same like dot. Okay, so right now Cardano is doing that. It gave a higher high, it broke this resistance. You can see broke this resistance, giving a second higher high. If you see on a, I'll show you on a 60-minute chart. Okay, 1 hour chart. You can see. Okay, so right now it gave a, yes, it gave a higher high, right, and now a higher low. Right now would be a good entry to be shorting here. Okay, that's here. Okay, so I can short right now your Cardano. If Bitcoin, if you all feel it bearish, Bitcoin is going to break that support at 27,000. Okay, 28, 20, yeah, 27,000. Wait, yep, it's 27,760, right? 28,760. Yep, 28,000. Let's check. I just forgot the number. Okay, so 28,760. Yep, on ADA, right? 28,760. Then you can short your ADA. If you feel bearish, ride it all the way to 0.35 cents. Okay, but only if Bitcoin breaks the 0.41 cents, right, and makes it as a support, we put our big long entries, because more probably Bitcoin 2 is going up, right? It's breaking its own resistance at 29,400. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is Algo. Also, yeah, Algo is here only. So the low, we'll just check on Algo. Okay, so Algo is on a low trend, just going down, down, down. Okay, so till now, only one set you can say you can buy it here, because the all-time low where Algo has gone is right here, 0.16 cents. Okay, so buying right now would be a good entry, because the lowest has gone is here on a daily if you check. Okay, so Algo we just wait and watch. Okay, only once it breaks you can say this 0.19 cents, you can put your big entries. Okay, that is going up. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your near chart. Okay, so for near chart also, no chart also, we have to just wait and watch, because it can, from here it can just trend in this line, or it can break this support. Okay, so we just need to watch, and then we can attack here. Okay, so for near we just need to watch, because near also has gone too much down, so more probably it will just dangle there only. Okay, but if you all took the shot, then it's good. If you all took it from here, here, it's good. Okay, so near also we just need to watch and just wait. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is your Phantom. See, for Phantom also, it's breaking this resistance, right? If it doesn't, if Bitcoin breaks the 28,760 support, then your Phantom will break its own support at 0.40 cents. Once it breaks, we enter short position right here on the resistance, and we write it all the way to 0.33 cents. Okay, but till then you can say it, if it's bullish, can go all the way till here. Okay, it can just go dangling here only. Okay, so now you all know that. Now for the crypto trend, there's not likely anything, as even Pepe is down. Okay, so if you all want to short that Pepe, let's check if we can short that Pepe, where we can short. Okay, if you all want to short Pepe, till now there's not that many candles. Okay, there's not that many candles, so we'll just wait and see. Okay, so right now you can't say anything on this chart. Okay, so let's go straight to the crypto news. Okay. Okay, so the first news is Kazakhstan collected 7 million in crypto mining taxes. Okay, so Kazakhstan collects 7 million in crypto mining taxes in 2022. Okay, so right now, one second, I'll just don't know where I kept it. Okay, so right now, Kazakhstan, okay, so if you all don't know, I'll just tell you all that Kazakhstan is one of the top mining hubs of crypto, right? People go there because the tax is very low. Okay, so in 2022 they realized this. Okay, so they started to tax the Bitcoin miners. Okay, so in 2022 they made around $7 million just on tax. Okay, but as of 2023 Q1, right, they just made 54,541,000. Okay, so that's kind of a concerning thing, as they are just making Q1 $541,000. So they're saying that more probably the Bitcoin miners either shifted or they are avoiding tax. Okay, so they're trying to find out how they are avoiding the tax. Okay, from which exchange. Okay, so that's for your Kazakhstan, the crypto news. Okay, so now let's talk about your next news, which is Cardano scaling protocol Hydra goes live mainnet today. Okay, so right now the layer 2 of Cardano is it's on the mainnet live. Okay, so that what this layer 2 does is, right, that it enhances the ADA speed, scalability and security. Okay, so that's for your Cardano news. You're hyped up with that. Okay, so here's the news that came with the thumbnail also. Okay, so Bitcoin Taproot drives transaction to all-time high. What this means for investors? Okay, so right now Bitcoin is upgraded to the Taproot upgrade. Okay, so right now it lowers the transaction fees. Okay, and enhances the functionality while enhancing the functionality of the Lightning Network. Okay, so that's kind of a bullish news for Bitcoin, since it's lowering the fees and it's using the layer 2, right? It's using the Lightning Network. So this is kind of a bullish, and the transaction came to an all-time high. Okay, because of that. Okay, so that's it for your crypto live. If you like content like this, just give it a like, hit that subscribe button, ping the notification bell on so you don't miss content like this. Okay, and you're early to watch. Okay, so peace out, crypto fam.